So, my first birthday in Canada was a traumatic experience. Not because of old age, Cebuanos don't age, we just get better at karaoke, but because I realized Canadians don't celebrate birthdays the way we do. Back in Cebu, when it's almost your birthday, it's a full-blown barangay announcement. Oi, hapit na akong birthday! Then the entire neighborhood starts planning their outfits like it's the Met Gala. You have to prepare lechon, spaghetti, lumpia, sudantang fiesta, and of course, the cake that's just for display, because the actual cake is secretly in the fridge for the celebrant only. Now in Canada, I was excited for my first birthday there. I asked my Canadian friend, so what do you do here for birthdays? He goes, oh, just a quiet dinner with friends. A what? Quiet dinner? Bro, in Cebu, a birthday is never quiet. Even the neighbors' neighbors get invited. The moment you light the birthday candle, 50 uninvited titas teleport into your house. Happy birthday, Nako! And don't get me started on the karaoke. In Canada, birthday parties have a playlist, very organized. In Cebu, we have one drunk uncle hogging the microphone and he won't stop until he finishes his entire Air Supply discography. But you know the saddest part? In Canada, the birthday celebrant pays for the dinner. In Cebu, you just have to look at your parents with puppy dog eyes and say, Ma pa akong birthday raba. Boom, instantly Sean. I miss Cebu. Somebody please invite me to a party where the spaghetti is red, the cake is untouched, and the karaoke machine is abused. Hooray.